My man Retro, what's up, bro? Oh, that's looking good. Uh, Yo, what's up, Elijah, bro? So cool. Man, why you gotta do that to me, bro? What? Dollar still bearish? Dollar. I mean bullish. There's the daily for value out there. You a good short on GBP. I mean, good long. I wouldn't take it today, but maybe. Okay, what do we see? I'm gonna check there with equal lows, right? Take the lows. We took yesterday's low though. Um, so I mean, sure. TGIF maybe. The previous day low, so TGIF from previous day low is not bad. I think I want those lows. I don't want the daily fair value gap. We could just look at intraday. I feel like those lows are more probable. Wish you good luck in the trading. Thank you, brother. Same for you. A nice Asian consolidation. Maybe take London high, go to London low, like the old days when that shit used to form like all the time. Low resistance liquidity lower. Daily fair value gap is pretty high. I don't know if we're gonna rally all the way up there. What's up, Ryuk? What's up, McElfane? I don't know if we're gonna rally all the way to the daily fair value gap. Oh yeah, that's what I was gonna check. And okay, so RTH gap. What's up, my man? Surface. What's up, bro? Yeah, I think I'm bullish. I mean, we have the org above. London highs look clean. Low resistance look clearly lower. I want to see price go up. Take London high and then sell off. Okay, so you're telling me org org is right there. Is that what you're telling me? Or yeah, I labeled it org. Bro, what time is NDOC, bro? Wait, I labeled the wrong one. Probably gonna manipulate at 9:30. I wouldn't say 9:20 is manipulating right now, but I'll check in a sec. The last candle where price closed. So what's NDOC? Oh, this was yesterday's. 59 to 18. 59 to 18 also would be ETH. Am I the only one who doesn't see a gap though? What's up, Elliot? You said, oh, oh, that's really interesting, actually. Okay, that's interesting. It is interesting. Maybe we're letting bullets because I say let's start again. I'm personally, I want some shorts. I want some shorts. I mean, this looks really good, OTE and dog, but I feel like I still want to see some highs get run. We could just take out that high. Is there SMT there? We do have the higher fair value gap here. So we're gonna see what 930 does. London high doesn't necessarily need to be taken. Could be high of day. All this low resistance liquidity. We're definitely looking for shorts. So I'll tell you one thing, I'm definitely not taking no longs right here. So what's up, Arrow? What's up, CP Travels? Caddy Pen. What's up, Goosebumps? You made my win today? Hey man, perfect, bro. That's all you need to do. Did you long previous stay low? Because that was pretty clean. Oh, that was nice. We got our trader set up. 155 profit. That's beautiful, man. That's beautiful. Enjoy the rest of the day. Okay. It is possible we just go lower. Looks like we are. 5 minute breaker. Yeah, it's almost a 15-minute breaker, but we really don't have to take London highs. We came into NDOG, we came into the fair value gap, respected 50%. We could just go lower. Oh, we didn't really respect 50%, but we do have the higher fair value gap, but it also was not tapped into. How was your day? Just started, brother. The 5 minute breaker, but there's no SMT. It's being the liquidity sweeps go higher. I think we wait a bit. Wait a bit. Yesterday was good. We caught a nice win yesterday. I think we wait. We wait and see. Do you trade just Forex and NQ? Trade stocks as well. But yeah, Forex and NQ and ES sometimes. Let's see. We tapped into the 5 minute bullish value gap. Let's see. That sends us higher. Did you catch London? I never wake up for London, brother. Oh, Dow Jones. Mhm. Daily chart, 15-minute chart. That does look like a clean accumulation manipulation, but where's the higher time frame going to? I think 950 will be very clear. Yeah, this is very bearish, bro. This is very bearish. Well, that's why Roku was doing so good. Stocks hit all-time highs? That makes sense. It looks pretty bearish to me, brother. You could expect TGIF though. Oh, never mind. It looks like pretty bearish. The 50-minute inverses, I mean, it could be the time for shorts. We have a 15-minute breaker. You guys already hit TGIF. Yeah. If we uh invert this and form a 15-minute bullish, I guess I'll just target the lows. What I'd rather see, we don't really need to take London high. This is like classic. This is like classic sell daily profile. I guess we'll wait for 15 minutes. See if we form a bearish fair value gap on the 15. Winters. You've seen Game of Thrones? We did. If we inverse the 15-minute here and we formed a 1 minute, we could just short the 1 minute. I'll wait for this 15-minute to form. There's a 15-minute breaker there. 15-minute breaker inversion, CISD. We tap into this 15-minute inversion. If we tap into the 15-minute inversion and displace lower, that's good enough. That's really good enough for me. We have the breaker as well. I'll just mark the breaker because it's the highest price range. Like we really don't need to take London buy side. But I would need to see some retracement. And there's probably a BPR there. I guess it's forming. Balance price range would be like bullish for value up and bearish for value up. That's where the fair value gap overlaps, right? That's unfortunate. Oh, look at that. We tapped into the 1 minute breaker perfectly and went lower. Took out some sell side. I mean, in hindsight, we could have shorted earlier, but I don't want to short. But again, yeah, it might not come back to that. That was really clean what just happened. It did form early though, which is fine. I'll have to take a trade every day. The 15-minute breaker. I guess our best plan is just wait for the 15-minute fair value gap. If price can come back into it. and we just target sell side. Just wait for this 15-minute to form, I guess, and then it doesn't form. Because at the end of the day, I'm going to need a 15-minute peak rate to support my trade. We do have this inversion. So I guess if we tap into the inversion, and I'm expecting the 15-minute to hold. So this would be, if this forms, this would be a balanced price range. I gotta figure out how I want to do this. I think waiting for the 15-minute is probably the best. Send it to the moon. Seems very probable. I think waiting for the 15-minute is best. That's the inversion. Just got closed right up. So let's see if we take out buy side again. Look at that. Nothing. Nothing at all. Look at that RTH gap get filled. I guess if we probably want to invert that RTH gap and then go lower, that'd be nice. Well, good thing we didn't put on a trade yet. Bias is still bearish. Ooh, we're getting SMT here. Ooh. Let's see what we can get out of that. Feel like a lot more clear. Everything feels more clear. You're tapping back into the order block. Breaker. I would have wanted to see fair value gap form now. ES looks like it'll form one. There's no rush. I mean, we could see this high get swept. I don't like that we just put in this low. That it took out these lows. But still, we're bearish. Alternatively, we could just be choppy because we already did meet TGIF. I think once this 15-minute candle closes, we'll have some clarity. We respected this 15-minute fair value gap. It ended up just being a nice soup. Let's see. An inversion. We traded really high into it though. 1 minute fair value gap respected it. If we inverse this, not bad, but I don't want to short it because ES is forming a 15-minute fair value gap, so I might be entering a short when we're just going to be retracing higher. I think this was just giving entry. I hope this takes out a high and forms SMT. That would be probably the best thing. Like ES taps into the 50-minute, NQ takes out a high, we get SMT. Bueno, that's the play. It seems like it's gonna happen. I think this is good. If we can tap into the 50-minute fair value gap formed on ES, assuming it forms, we tap in there. So we go like this, and then show lower. And when we do that, tap in, and Q takes out a swing high, and we get SMT. That's a really high probability short. Alternatively, if we break lower, just break higher. If we take out a high, I'm gonna need SMT to take shorts. We could also just be wrong, right? Because this thing did give a pretty good long setup. Like just a nice soup inside the 15-minute. Give you a nice play there. The ISD tapped in, respected the bullish for value gap. Low, high, lower, low, higher, high. We came back into the breaker. That's the breaker FUG right now. Yes, close up the fair value gap. So we could just be wrong. It's a good thing we didn't take a short. London highs, possible. I guess the daily chart is like either way, fair value gap or sell side. My opinion, I think sell side makes more sense. Let's see, maybe we take London high and we tap into this 15-minute with SMT. Honestly, that long setup was pretty good. That long setup was actually really good. We kind of missed it. Didn't really form at a key time, but 15-minute fair value gap, nice soup, and then the perfect 1-minute reaction. We got a nice breaker, balanced price range right there. Tapped in. Yeah, that's really good. Wow, nice. How many points was that? Off the balanced price range to sell side, 78. You can hold the London high, maybe you get it. That was nice. Okay, let's see if we get London highs incoming. SMT at London highs. Can we break lower after? Did we tap into the rejection block? Yeah, we did. So stupid. Rejection block is so stupid. Oh, JP, what's up, man? Tap into the rejection. What's up, Chris Anderson? Chris, man, we won a trade yesterday. You missed it, bro. Oh, you back to full time? Are you back home? We get a BPR here? We got the SMT at London highs. Yeah. Go up to high there. Yesterday, we've had a nice win, 110 points. Oh, no idea. I'm back full time. That's good, man. If we get a BPR, no, they're not the same thing. You think I could be better when you're not here? I mean, honestly, it's been a tough week. Mm, the- that's a BPR. Really nice displacement. We hit the rejection block, 945. We get nice displacement. We could just wait for the breaker. I'm gonna be more patient because the reason is mm, we're respecting this. Got back into the inversion there. The RR wouldn't be good anyways unless we. What are we waiting for here? We need some confirmation that this is gonna reverse. Okay, so closure above that high is one already good confirmation. And we got a nice wick on the 5 minute. Maybe we can get OTE of that price range that just formed. The 15 minute, that it looks really good. Failure swing to London highs, kind of SMT as well. We have 10 a.m. coming. We could take this breaker. This was a good entry, but too much risk. The breaker's not bad, but I think we look for OTE. Thing is, it really doesn't need to come back up there. It really doesn't need to come back. This is also a balanced price range. We could take the BPR there. I'm happy with this. We'll take the trade here and I'll show you guys. I'm trading here by the way, so it's not actually. I think I have to say it's paper though, right? Technically by law. I think it's not even 50%. You catch anything? No, but I'm looking for this short. 3 minute. 3 minute order block tapped in. 2 minute. Value gap there. Now waiting to 10. Oh, 950 is my green. If we miss this, I would just expect 10 to manip Just continue lower. 930 manipulation, 10 distribution. We might not even get, we might not even, I mean, like, we'll probably take this low before 10. We could wait for OTE or silver bullet, like 5-minute fair value gap. Could have market sold this pre-PR, which would have been insane. You can use standard deviations. Yeah. Now our entry's closer to 50%. Stop loss is pretty safe, I'd say. We didn't have a limit in, by the way. Okay, go sell side. Long trading ICT concepts. I started learning about a year ago. I've been trading live since January. 950 to 1010. Like green time. I'm gonna put my limit in here. We're only able to take 2 micros on this one. Just below 50%. We definitely could retrace a little higher, even into OTE. What we could do is market sell. I think that's better actually. Let's look for a market sell. Let's look for a market sell. And hold on, let me add this shit on top step X. How do you can't even like there's no button. So we're gonna look for a market sell. And we'll see if it actually I think I like the limit more. Alright, we're going back to the limit, we're going back to the limit. We're going back to the limit. Because it's a BPR, it really doesn't need to trade above into this fair value gap. It really doesn't. So we're gonna go with this limit. This is our trade. We're sticking with it. If we lose, we lose. If we win. Check for our candle. Equals. There is equals, but in my opinion, we don't need to take out that high. Tapped into the inversion. Don't tell me we're not gonna tap into my limit though. Form the bullish fair value gap. Well, we're in, so we can't say anything now. We live or we learn. We live or we learn. Could be a sniper. Let's see. Already doesn't look like a sniper, so. If we start trading into this wick, yeah, no, my stop loss is gonna be fixed right here. Really should not trade. Try and get it to 190. Yep, there is equalize there. Relatively equal. Okay, so if it's gonna go lower, it really should right now. So this would technically be your sniper entry. Ideally, this remains unfilled. You know what? I'm fearless. Fearless. It's macro time. We did form 2 bullish fair value gaps, which is not good. Which is not good indeed. We did get some nice, so we did take out that low. But this is clean. We had a nice 930 do this thing higher. Invalidated the PD raise. We get a nice OTE right here. This is a good trade. I would take this again. Hopefully you take a W, but we're not using OT from the low leg to the high. This one. Like you say, why not enter an OTE instead? Are you saying I could have got a better entry? What you mean? Or is there another OTE you're talking about? The opposite way. Oh, you mean go long? Well, because I'm expecting lower prices. If I was bullish, that wouldn't be bad. Target 1975.6. That this 756. I don't know what 756 is. My target is sell side. It'll be like here. Oh, you're talking about like there? My target will be like somewhere there. But let's see. So far, respecting the bullish value gap, so it's honestly not looking good. But chilling. We did get a nice wick. Oh wait, we're back at our entry? I thought we were so far above. I thought I was like near stop loss. Okay, so what do I want to see? I want to see a BPR form in my favor. I want to see a BPR form in my favor. And I did say I was going to take 2R fixed, right? I mean, at this low, probably break even. Nice reads that trade. I mean, it hasn't played yet, but ideally, if we form this bearish fair value gap, in my opinion, that is really good. And like I said, ideally, this remains unfilled. Look how close we came to it. Very, very close. But I really want this bearish fair value gap to form, and it did not form. So that's not good. Really not good. Might have entered a bad trade. We tapped into the volume imbalance there. We didn't even invert the volume imbalance or the fair value gap there. But let's see. We could get a soup and then go lower. Is there a fair value up there? Nah, they really did that to me, huh? Like, you couldn't just give me it, bro? It's good on the 15 second. Yeah, it does look good there, but there was an immediate rebalance right there. So there was an immediate rebalance. Immediate rebalance. Immediate rebalance. Yeah, I gotta put these things up because when I post those executions, I want to see this get inverted. I want to see this. I want to see this get inverted. But like I said, it doesn't look good. So we could get a soup into the fair value gap. There might be an SMT 951 high. That would also be good. Looking at ES right here. That would also be good. We definitely could have sniped our entry a lot better. Okay, there's the soup. Do we get the SMT? UA 5 minute looks bullish. 5 minute. Yeah. All I see is this nice liquidity sweep. Came into the rejection block and we went lower. And I'm more leaning towards shorts. But we did take out this low, this high. But in my opinion, I mean, I see it. We did overtake previous day though, yeah. Guess we'll see. We got the SMT. Is that soup gonna carry us? Like, see, yo, Allah, this is what I was talking about, bro. Like, you get the SMT, and you're like, oh yeah, like this might be nice. But then in reality, the market just wants to sync up, and it just like rushes quickly. Let's see if this SMT holds. We tapped into the balanced price range. Yes, informed SMT. So if we were gonna go lower, it would be now. I think I self take it during London. Yeah. So like New York reverses all of London. I mean, yeah, possible. Like perfect though. Like look at the 15 on ES. 15 on ES looks so clean, in my opinion. Oh, I saw green. That means we're going last one waiting for 10 a.m. Second entry. Yeah. TJF at 2 up. Okay, we inverted. Did we invert something little? I thought there was a bearish bullish for value gap right there. Maybe I was wrong. So far, the SMT looks good. Yeah, and we closed back below. We did close back below the high that was taken. Can we invert the volume imbalance? Can we get breaker mitigation? Is the real question. I will add a position if we get breaker mitigation now. High, low, higher, high, lower, low. You guys know my favorite entry is breaker mitigation. This is the move we wanted to see. This is so far good. Hopefully this is not just a soup. We will be, listen, I'm moving my stop. I'm moving my stop to the SMT high. I really don't want to see those highs get taken. So we're moving our stop. We're now lowered risk. I don't know how much 100 ticks is. I'm going long if we make the breaker at the high. That's not a bad idea. We just got mitigation and breaker. Wait, actually we didn't get the... What the fuck just happened, bro? I reversed... Oh, this is paper trade, so it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. I thought I just reversed my position. I was so sad. I mean, I did reverse. I just clicked the reverse button without even looking. But it's fine because, look, we're on the trade on our real account. This is just paper. Thank God this is fucking paper, bro. I actually would have been upset. Um, we're gonna look to add on this mitigation block, guys. Now that's actually upsetting, bro. That was so scary. Because if I just did all that, just to freaking... Alright, we're gonna look for that reaction. Yeah, I was upset there, I can't lie. I mean, that's a silly error, bro. I mean, the trade hasn't won yet, so we can't say much. I am gonna just put on my original entry, which was 19,111. This is the original trade, guys. Right? Well, this is where my stop is right now, so this is the original trade. You felt that? Bro, like if I just did all that, and I'm not saying this trade's a guarantee, but it looks pretty good. And if this trade plays out, really, bro? If we get this breaker on yes, I think we're in the fucking money, bro. Mark out potential TPs, but I think the plan is probably take a partial there and then break even and let the rest run, bro. Or it could tilt full TP. You closed out? Oh, you TP'd, you mean? Bro, all I needed was JP to come back. I knew it, bro. I missed you, bro. Well, listen, if you like to take you could already take partials there, right? We do have SMT there, 948. It's not bad, but like I said, we did form break. Wait, where's the breaker? It's all the way up here. Damn, that's long. We did get the breaker on yes. Breaker SMT, my favorite entry model. It is a great trade. Yeah, very good, clean. I'm thinking about taking one off here. Just leave a runner at break even. Thing is, my break even is at my break even's inside the fair value gap right here. I got out because I think we can't make more than 700 in trade. I mean, yo, oh shit, 700, man. Come on, man. TP that shit. Don't question it, bro. 700. Fuck. I took 2 micros. I can't risk more than 200 on these accounts. I want to let this one run. I want to really let this one run. We should listen. In my opinion, we should. I mean, we haven't. I think, in my opinion, we already should have. But I want to see large body candles run through these lows. This low right here. I want to see large body candles run through these low. Here, 2 micros, one to run. Yeah, same risk as me. Like that's not a bad partial right there, to be honest. Because that's already 50 points. I mean, it's nothing. I'm sad I can't see the position here, bro. I can't believe I reversed it. I lost my clip, you know. If I was gonna make content. Okay, we should go lower now. We tapped into the fair value gap one, yes. Lost my clip, this man's. Bro, like you know, man, I wanted to post it, bro. I mean, if it plays out. I mean, if it lost, I like posting ones that I don't know. I posted one that it reversed on me or something. It did really good on social media. We failed to make the OB. Could be second stage here though. Accumulate and then higher, lower. 5 minutes or value gap looks good. We just took out the low though. Depends how this 5 minute closes. Trade's not over. Trade's not over. So let's keep. I like how we're trading below that candle though. You're still in it? Good, Hammy. Good. I'm still in it. I'm still in it too. Look, this is. I'm not actually. I'm trading on step X. Not actually paper trading. Good trade, bro. Thank you, Dr. Health. Challenge account. Yeah, are you trying to get another funded or a funded again, JP? No SMT. I mean, we have SMT here, 948. Damn, if you took OTE there, you would have got a really nice fill. It's 5 minutes here. All you got is. Oh, it formed. So there's your silver bullet entry, right? That's your second stage entry. Oh, hopefully it plays out and it doesn't just, chop or come to these lows. Still have 5 minutes in the macro, so we really could. Oh, the 5 minutes like perfectly in line with the BPR. Yeah, the 5 minute is literally the BPR. Interesting. Yo, my stop loss both ways. Go to break even? No, not yet. I already lowered risk. I'm looking at this 5 minute. Even like this wick is permissible trading. Ideally, we just get a nice rejection off the 5 minute fair value gap BPR. But this is permissible. The reason I say the wick is permissible is because there's a nice fair value gap right there. So no break even yet. I already lowered my stop by like half. So 50% less risk. 15-minute wick. Yeah, we could. Makes me not want to enter. Oh, this wick right here? I think it's just second stage entry, but let's see. Oh, we went back to midnight? Wait. Let's see how this 5 minute plays. This 5 minute will tell. Back at our entry almost. We came back into this fair value gap. It really just kind of depends now how we react off this. Another potential soup on ES. Let's see. If we invert this, might close, but I think it should respect. That 15-minute wick. Oh, this wick, this reject. Oh, yeah. Yeah, very possible. But in my opinion, we still go lower. I mean, there's still 2 minutes in the 5 minute. We kind of just came back to OTE, 10 a.m. second stage distribution. Let's see. We did form a bullish or value gap, which is not a good sign. But we did close below the high. Came back right back up. We're still in green a little. Are you still in? I'm still in. I'm still in. I'm 50% less risk, but we're still in. No, still in, still in. Stop loss is here. This is my stop loss, guys. Thank you, Halito. Take care, brother. Still believe, guys. I believe in my idea. I'm sticking to my idea. Trading below the 5 minute almost, so that's pretty good. There's a little SMT right there, which is nice. Hopefully it holds. You added an extra micro. See, that's really believing the idea now. Good shit for you. Don't want to see that high get taken. More importantly, I don't want to see this get inverse. Like that was a really nice wick that just formed. So I understand if you added the micro on that wick, that's really good. Here, micro or mini? Like honestly, this was such a good signature. I love it when it taps in and then closes below. Okay, Meher. Good luck. Not bad to add one. I mean, the stop loss is at the high, 50% less stop. I'll maybe add one if we form a bearish or value gap or something. No SMT. Honestly, it's starting to look less good. But permissible trading. This is all permissible. Like we said, the 5 minute. This is about as high as it can go, I'd say, before I'm like, because that's the 5 minute wick right there, which is the 1 minute fair value gap, which is OTE of the dealing range. Really, we shouldn't go higher. What do I want to see? 5 minute inverse? Yes, 5 minute did inverse. Long, good luck, brother. Well, I guess not good luck. But we're already 50% less risk, so I'm happy letting this. The volume imbalance on the 1 minute? Nice. Not good luck. I mean, you know what? I'm glad if I lose, it means you win, bro. Honestly, I'm glad about that. Alright, that's about as high as it could go. Like, the sweeping that high. I need to see big body candles lower, otherwise I'm not convinced at all. Really, not much more convinced. I mean, trading, respecting the mitigation. I would need to see really big body candles. Still okay? Yeah, I still believe my stop loss is there for a reason. I still love this trade. Me too. The 5 minute inverse is kind of sketchy, but we could still close this up. I really want to see that close up. We didn't reinverse. 5 minute will be a yes. Or the 5 minute FEG. Well, no, I'm gonna keep my stop loss. If it forms a 5 minute bullish fair value gap, I'll probably be stopped out anyways. We did close up that 5 minute really nicely. Does that immediate rebalance send us higher? Yeah, to be honest, I know about immediate rebalances, but is it a bullish or bearish confluence? Like, is that a bearish confluence? Because we closed up the bullish fair value gap, right? So, which is it? You know what I'm saying? I think taking one out at this low is not a bad idea because of the measured move. Okay. This looks a little better now. Equal highs on the edge. Is this the market's last chance of giving me a way out? We could put our stop loss here. I think that's a good idea. Alright guys, my stop loss has moved. The fact we just broke lower and inverted this, I really do not want to see a trade back up there. So we're practically no risk right now. We're almost at TP1. Get out, you're good. It's all good, bro. It's all good. You had your plan, you stuck to it. That's what matters. I hope you don't let that change anything. I mean, yo, 5 minute close below. I understand why you took those longs, bro. Honestly, I did. Honestly, I lost a lot of conviction. I really had to see this inverse before I was like, no. But I think I don't know if you want me to like comment, but I'm gonna do it anyways. Whatever you, if you hate me, you hate me. I think something really important. I mean, this is very choppy, to be honest. But second stage entries at 10. Usually 10 doesn't reverse. Usually 10. Oh, nice, bro. That's really good, bro. I'm proud of you, man. I don't know. I noticed that usually 10 gives me a second stage entry. So unless the only way. By the way, Meher, TP1 here. Take one off here, Meher. How many macros do you have? That's not a nice wick. I wanted to see it run through. This is the BPR. So Meher, take one off there. If you had 3, I would have told you take one off here. Take 2 off TP1? Okay, that's fine. Are you still in the trade? I am still in the trade. I am now pretty much break even. So here, let me show you guys the trade. This is the trade we're in right now. Let me just put this here so we're pretty much like break even. We have like 6-point stop loss. We're aiming for TP1. This is the trade. Fill in. Like this. It's so like bright, bro. Gotta make this like better. You can't even see that. Okay, the BPR. Do I look to add one in the BPR? GG's then? I mean, not yet. Not yet. If we were close below this BPR, maybe I will add one. We really should, honestly. After that displacement, like, I'd be really surprised if that was just manipulation to go higher. But either way, we're pretty much break even, so 6-point stop loss. Okay, this is just a little too faint. Nope, no profits yet. So if we get stopped here, we ended like minus 20. Looks like we might get stopped here. You got souped? Yeah, you might have got souped. Little greedy? Nope, not greedy, brother. It's not greedy. I took this trade expecting this low. So if I got caught up, if I entered in a choppy market, it's just a choppy market, you know? Bad trade. No, not bad because we lowered our risk. So it's not greed. Maybe in hindsight, I should have seen that this was choppy. I'm gonna go full break even here. So my stop loss is right here now. So we won't lose on this trade. We won't lose on this trade. That's my stop loss. We won't lose. Again, hindsight, I could have taken one off at that low, but that's pretty hindsight. I guess I could have recognized the range. I mean, I did say we were choppy. Actually, you should have taken partials and not wait for the TP1 to hit, in my opinion. I mean, TP1 was my partial. Where would I have partialed? I guess the only place that makes sense is here, but like, this doesn't really make sense. It doesn't make sense to take one off there because the whole point, I was expecting large body candles. If I was just wrong, I'd rather just be wrong. You closed in profits, Meher? Lost $5.50. Oh, did you get a bad entry? Market's always unpredictable. No, that's not how I trade, brother. This shit was predicted. This shit was predicted as fuck. Did I not predict this shit, bro? I predicted this shit. You can't lie. I predicted this shit. But no. But with that being said, like, yeah, I didn't know it was gonna be this choppy. You're right. I couldn't predict that, but it doesn't make sense to partial right there. Cause on your phone, and it looks like we're probably still valid, guys. So check the M5. Choppy as fuck, right? I already know it's gonna be choppy as fuck. I mean, we're break even, so even if we lose, like maybe now in hindsight, I mean, now it doesn't make sense. We could just full TP here, but let's see. Do we respect this? If we respect this minute, I might just close my $100 in profit. We did form a bearish fair value gap though, so I guess we'll leave it. We'll leave it. Still valid. At least our trade management was good, right? We managed to reduce risk. We managed to predict the movement lower, even though it didn't give us a TP. If we inverse this, I'll probably just close. If we inverse this, I'll go, why not? That's money difference. Taking part of the TP, that's what I'm saying. Secure some profits and let it run. Oh, you're saying like just because I was close, just secure it? But then what's the point of it then? Like it's all subjective, you know? The only thing I can see really is I should have expected continuation after seeing this little wick. But no, that's such a nice, like, it doesn't make sense. It really doesn't make sense to partial there. I understand taking a partial. I just don't understand taking one at this low. But actually, what I do understand is we are ranging, so taking a partial at the current range low is not bad. But let's see if we can just take our fill here. I am going to lower my stop loss now to secure some profits right here. So this is my new stop loss. You know, let me just show the fucking trade here. You don't think you can take another? I don't think you can re-enter me here either. No, you're good. I'm not taking another trade anymore, bro. We've been in this trade the whole day. If I had more, listen, if I had 3 micros, I for sure would have taken one off there. But I only have 2. And 20 is a nice high. Yeah, oh yeah, that's what I was doing. So this is my new stop loss. Yeah, okay, that's nice. Okay, we were looking for TP1. Trying to like make it so. Okay, that's good, right? Okay, we might get stopped here, but we have secured some profits. Wow, protein back, you already up in my accounts. Wow, bro, you're the Appreciate you, bro. We didn't invert there, so that's not nice, really. I feel like this looks so ghetto. You, Mr. Gaddy, is crazy, bro. If I had three micros, I for sure would have still in. Yes, we are in. We are in with 25 points secured, which is not much for two micros, but it's better than nothing. We're looking for TP1, and then we'll leave the stop loss here. Yeah, it really looked like it was going to continue lower, but I can understand the chop. We already hit TGIF. London already took out a low. I want to see the Swick support price. Still in good trade, and I would take it again, and that's what matters. We followed the model. We called it out really nice. How do you play a profit some dollar amount on micros? I have no idea how much this limit's going to give me, bro. You're just going to have to calculate it. Yeah. I mean, you almost did catch the bottom of the range there, bro. Would have been really nice. Okay, we should now explode. There's no SMT. This is NQ. I guess we should open BS here, not NQ. SMT, I don't even fucking know. Oh, there's SMT 1014. Well, the thing is now, I can't let I was gonna say like my previous decisions. I could just full close here. I think I'm tempted to chill my stop right here. Because the SMT, and I don't want to be in this forever. I can secure at least 200. All right, guys, we're out. We're out. We're out. We're out. We got out there. We're done. Why did I close there? One, there was a nice there was SMT right there, and we started wicking. I think that was a good close. Two, yeah, maybe wrong. I mean, it looks like it's working again the other way, but that's 200, and I can't complain, especially because we're ranging. We're ranging, so it is a W. It is a W. We managed to secure the W there. That was plus 200. Oh my god, I actually have some accounts that are positive now. Nice. How much did you risk on that? I risked initially, my first stop loss was 200. We managed to go back to 50. It'll go down though because it's bearish and rangy. Yeah, it will eventually go down. Yeah, I just didn't want to be a part of it. Like, it's going to be hard to say when it's going to take out these lows, if it does. TP1 will probably hit eventually. But, like I said, we got SMT and we started wicking, and let me look at that. It would be funny now, huh? It just starts running. That would be funny, actually. But we managed to catch 60 points, 65 points. So we're not going to complain. How much did I risk? I risked 200 initially because I wanted to give some leeway. The reason I risked I entered right here, right? So my stop loss was here eventually. I mean, yeah, bro. Initially, this was the trade. This was the trade initially. We broke lower. I have to give some leeway to trade into here, right? Because we might trade into there. Yo, I really think I exited it. No, I'm not gonna complain about that. That was good. That was good. I would do it again. So I just thinking like now it's probably gonna hit TP1, which is yeah. Oh, oh. I kind of want it to go up now. It's gonna hit. Okay. Well, we won, so that's what matters. That's TP1. That's actually kind of sad, bro. Like you can't lie, it's a little bit upsetting, right? Like, oh yeah. Oh wow. Keep going. No, no, I want this to keep going bull TP right now. I'm gonna watch this. I did say big body candles through the low. That's let's see how low this goes. Just let it go. You're right. I just want to secure some green because I've been in so much drawdown. You could close one and let last one run. Yeah, I could have done that. That's a good idea. I was thinking about that, but then I was like, that's so. I mean, 200 was little anyways, but I was thinking like that's so little. Like I was gonna secure, I guess it would have been 100. I really hope this just inverses. Like I really hope this just goes from range low to high. No, but I can't even complain, bro. We had SMT at range low and we were choppy. Like sure, in this case it just ended up going, but I feel like if it goes full TP, I will be upset. Full TP, that would upset me. But taking out this low and then going back up, look how choppy this is. And another thing is like, yeah, this happened, but this could have like it easily could have just used that SMT and then went higher and then came back. Like I don't want to wait. I don't want to be in that trade for so long by full TP, but I've been closed. But that is a nice body candle. And honestly, what do I expect? I honestly think it might full TP now. 10:30 a.m. The hourly candle goes. Yeah, what would the difference have been? Good question. So 30 points. It's a pretty big difference actually. It looks like full TP is coming too. In my opinion, we're going to full TP now. Before 11 a.m., we're gonna full TP. That's full TP. So it would have made an extra 30 points on one micro. So that's an extra 60. And then full TP would have been an extra 115 points. So 115, that would have been an extra 230. So if we full TP, that was 260 we missed out on. So about double. Which, it's not that bad. Like we're gonna catch other wins. We took a win. I shouldn't be complaining right now. Honestly, I shouldn't be complaining. If it full TPs though, I'm gonna start complaining. Is it 3 drives? Nah, it's 4, 5. I mean, yo, one thing I did miss was the 10:30. Like I should have maybe expected, but no, the choppy candle. Like I could have expected 10 a.m. to chop. Maybe if I looked at the hourly, I wouldn't have thought that it was choppy. But like, yo, no, like you honestly, yo, I'm not gonna complain. I'm not gonna complain because look at this. Come on, bro. Do I really want to be in this trade? I'm gonna start complaining. I mean, you can't lie, bro. Full TP, like I was patient for a long time there, but I guess the moment I wasn't. But I was trying to say was if it full TP, that was an extra 150 points. But listen. I'm not gonna complain. I'm done. I'm done. You know what? I'm just gonna close the charts. I don't even want to think about this anymore. Before I close the charts, let me make sure there's no limits. Exactly. Wait, are you trying to say that I made a good decision? That's what I want to hear. I don't want to be in that trade. Oh, let's watch Roku. Guys, if Roku's at $70, I'm giving away $100. Lucky guys. 63 though, that's not bad. Wait, do we? Oh, it's yesterday. Okay, listen. I'm gonna say one thing. Yo, Alez, let me ask you something, bro. I actually want to know your opinion on this. Do you think I wait till after earnings and hold till 9:30 open on Friday? Earnings is Thursday afternoon. And then sell it on open? Or do I sell before earnings? Because, bro, low key, earnings could easily make it open at like 80. Yeah, you right. It looks like it's going weekly FEG. Roku? No, bro. This. Oh yeah, we take previous week's high. Yeah, but look. And then what happens after earnings? Oh, I hold that shit. Yeah, you close out at open Friday. That's what I'm thinking. Unless it's lower, then we wait another year. It is what it is. And that's full TP, guys. Almost. Oh wait, it looked a lot closer on the 1 minute chart. I mean on the daily chart. This is probably gonna full TP. So we caught a really good trade. We managed to secure our profits. Um, you know what's sad? I'll tell you guys what's sad. Where was my stop loss? It was right here. No, it was right here. This was my stop. I could have just put it at the high. How much points would that have been different? 14. Nah. I need to stop looking at this. I'm gonna keep thinking about it all night, or keep thinking about it. Wait, you moved your stop loss? Yeah. I moved it to the next candle high after the SMT at the lows. Bro, I think it, no, I'm not even, look at this, look at this. Where is it? Because we formed SMT. I'm gonna close charts, I'm closing charts. It's gonna full TP, I know it is. Okay. Hindsight, we made a mistake. But we still managed to catch a nice move. 67. So these are the accounts. These ones are in profit now. We held all comps at 808. I'm fucking proud of you, bro. I should have done that. I should have expected 1030 to distribute. I do this every day, bro. Live every day. I'm gonna go in the charts and I think I'm just gonna go swim because I can't lie, guys. It stings. It stings a little. I'm trying to not let it bother me. But you know what bothers me? It's not that I missed out on profits. I honestly don't care. I really don't care about the money because it's gonna come. It bothers me how patient I was. It bothers me how patient I was, and then the moment I wasn't, and I was like, let me just get out. You know. But listen, honestly, I think this will scale into more wins because we've been getting unlucky a lot. You know what? I don't regret it because we've been getting, I don't want to say unlucky, like it's obviously all my fault, but there was a trade where we got stopped out on the same tick. There was a trade we missed the entry like 150 points by 1 point. Um, there were just some other things that I kind of messed up. Um, so I've been getting kind of unlucky, you know. And if I ended up like breaking even here or something, or like even losing, like anything, like just securing some wins after like that happens is a nice feeling, you know. Yeah, it was pretty choppy. Did I end the green week? Week green? I don't even know. I might be break even after today and yesterday. Stop crying. Fuck, man. You're right. Yeah, the most important thing is we managed to predict that move really nicely. And you know what's even better? We learned. You know how I know we learned? The fucking rejection block. That's all I'm gonna say. All I'm gonna say is I know there was a good amount of people who wanted these equal highs, but does it need to go up there? Because it already did. Trade above the volume. It's honestly the dumbest concept ever, though. But I honestly hate the idea of rejection block because I don't want to like call out ICT or anything is fucking goat, but bro, so you're telling me like it's a dub. My guy getting better. Yes, sir. Later at 14 TGIF. I don't know what that means, but managed to managed to catch a dub. And it was been 2 weeks of pretty rough things happening. So managed to catch a win. The charts are closed. I know what TGIF is, but what's later at 14? Oh, 2 p.m. TGIF? Possible. Might trade it on my other accounts actually. Shit, I don't want to flash my. But yo, if you're not in the Discord, man, join the Discord, man. It's free. What the fudge went wrong? You were wrong. I don't know what to tell you about. Yeah, I know about TJF 100%. I don't know what you meant at later at 14, but you meant 2 p.m. Uh, you know what helps me actually? Journaling. Journaling actually, it actually helps me. Look at these losses, guys. Day 8. Day 8. 2024, 07, 19. Win. None. Narrative. Bears. What was the narrative there? AMD daily, New York AM continuation, off the high time frame rejection block. Strong liquidity, sell side, plus, what was it? The equal lows? Yeah, the daily equal lows or something. High time frame PD array. That was like an hourly RB. We entered perfectly on the macro, which is nice. Confirmation there. Confirmation for entry was everything, bro. Fuck. BPR, FEG, yeah, you know, they're like plus 180. Can't complain. What's that journal? So this is a series I'm doing. So we only took one trade, only one trade, brother. I only like to take two on those accounts. I'm doing a series. It's called Road to Proper Payout. I'm only doing it in the Discord. I'll probably do it again on YouTube afterwards. Um, I was doing it on YouTube, but instead I'm gonna be posting videos of my model, like this one. Okay, what's up, guys? It's Caddy, which I'm posting today. So if you want to see my favorite entry model, that video will have it. So this is, yeah, I mean, you can see pretty much everything here. You know, I'm just trying to show getting a funded and then payout and then hopefully retrieve all three goals. And I'm gonna journal every single trade. So we're learning. No way, my last trade I couldn't catch it. But you're so greedy, Les, bro. I know you caught something yesterday, bro. I mean, wait, what did I? I know you caught something this whole week, bro. You ended green in a tough week. We take the fucking dubs. I'm in Discord. All your socials. You're in all my socials. Appreciate you, bro. Feel free to message me on IG or some shit. You want to chill? Like I'm here chatting, bro. I love talking about trading. You think you ended up green? Shit, me too, bro. When the last time you had a red week? I'll put in the charts later, but it's most important. The most important thing about here is the comments. So one, amazing narrative and sticking to it. Very patient. I did good. Believing and where's the Discord? Shit, it's not in the comments. It's on my Instagram bio. That's probably the easiest place you can get it. But yeah, I live stream every day. Hello, brother. Do you only use the 2022 model? I don't really enter specifically using 2022. This is my model right here: narrative, non-liquidity, high time, liquidity rate, time. And then in terms of entry, it's confirmation. And whatever I see, it tells me it's like pretty subjective, you know. If I'm convinced, sometimes I won't even enter off a PD rate. Sometimes I'll just see intermediate term high form. I'll take the trade. Like when there's the triangle, for example. Like, let's say hypothetically there was no PD arrays over here. As soon as this high gets put in, yeah, I'll just go in right there. Shit, that's enough for me. The narrative is there. But like I'll take anything. OTE, fair value gap, BPR, CISP. I don't really care. They're all good. It's all about the narrative. It's all about the narrative, brother. But 2022 model is amazing. Like if you stick to it, it's fucking amazing. That's enough for me. I don't need more. Like I've back tested all, and I honestly, listen. I'll tell you why. It's because I've back tested all, and after like hundreds of trades, like I could not find any difference. The only thing I found that was different is when there was a breaker SMT, and the other asset made mitigation SMT. That was like an extra like 10%. Those ones worked more. But you begin to realize that narrative is pretty much everything. If you have the right narrative, it's pretty hard to lose. Like, I can't lie. Like, if you know where price is gonna go and you know a lot about time, trading ICT is the edge. Yeah, for real, bro. I think for me, my edge is 100% just like narrative. Like, that's me, bro. Like, I feel like I'm able to predict where price is gonna go really well. Where I lack more is actually like catching the move at the right time. Like, a lot of the time I get liquidated and then it goes. Like, I'm liquidity, you know? So I think that just comes with time. Like, I'm gonna just have to do more testing, more thing. But I'm working on something I think you guys will like. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek. It's actually this journal. I'm working on this, and I've done this before, but I'm doing it again better. I'm looking at the point of reversals from 9:30 to 11, catching which exactly is the low and what exactly happens at 9, like at the point of reversal. Like the knowledge concept pattern, all the same. It's mindset to trade ICT. It is mindset. So for example, this one, 9:45, we had an SMT after a sell side sweep and we kept going higher. You could have entered on the BPR, for example. And is that a BPR? It's actually not a BPR. That's an inversion. Um, 52 overlapping fair value gap. So it's not a BPR. That's an inversion. I marked it wrong. For example, right here, SMT breaker, 10:05 was the low. We expanded to 11:03, equal highs, drawn liquidity. Like, I'm gonna mark out the point of reversal. Point of reversal right here, 9:36. What happened? Trade into the rejection block. CPI candle, I think this one is, or PPI. This is one of my favorite ones. Breaker. And that's a BPR. Yep, that's your trade window. So you're gonna like this, bro. Once I'm done this, you will see this is exactly the point of reversal I'm gonna do every single day from January to June. So, like this one, sell side swept on ES, 951 low. We got the order block and the fair value gap, breakaway gap. Really nice. Below 830. Top line use I see. Oh, okay, I'm gonna expose myself. Guys, the real reason I took the trade, I'm gonna show you guys. You guys don't know this, but it's actually just resistance. Like, bro, obviously, this is just a point where sellers entered the market, guys. All those sellers, bro. Sellers. It's a supply zone. And where are we gonna trade? Demand zone. Like, bro, what? It's demand. It's demand. It's gonna go higher. Gonna short as soon as equal highs are made. That's so scary, bro. That's literally so scary. Well, you know what's crazy though? Like, I can see why people think this works because, like, but if they ever trade a rejection block, they're gonna get a fucking fire entry. Like, look at that. It actually looks like it works. It's just for the wrong reason, you know? I want to get there too, but no, too early in my window. Like, I understand why people think it works. I mean, also because what happens that looks good for journaling? Notion, it's free. Yeah, it's really good. So anyway, I'm gonna publish this. I might even make a video about it, but we'll see. And it's basically like, for example, this one. 932 made the low, but you can see 10 came back lower. Similar to what happened today. So like we had the high at 930, but you can see around 10 we did come back up higher. Um, so similar market structure there, just in the reverse. So you can study this, and then you can study what exactly happens at the point of reversal. 15-minute fair value gap in this case, and we had a 1-minute soup with SMT. 932 is the low. This low is safe. This low is safe because it's intermediate term low. And you could have entered on the order block or the fair value gap, the inversion. In this case, I wouldn't have used this fair value gap. Actually, maybe. I would probably wait for the inversion because I wanted some confirmation that it's in reverse. But yeah, very clean there. And then 1117 was a high. So all lows is liquidity. So it is very good to journal. You can set up your journal however you want. This is my journal for these accounts. All my other journals, they're in the trash. I've already learned, I've already backtested, I already have the data. I have some other ones here that I think I'm gonna finish up. later. So this is like I was backtesting some other stuff. But yeah, it's a really good thing. This is the one we're focused on. Can we come back from drawdown? Is the question. Can we pull back from drawdown? That would be amazing, bro. Because we're in some drawdown. I ain't gonna lie. We in some drawdown. We lost. But for once, we can put a fucking W on this shit. A video would be very useful. On how to use this? Or on the data? Like I'm thinking I collect all the data, make an Excel sheet or a PDF and explain, okay, at the point of reversal, what time was it? I can say like 90% of the time when New York reverses, it's from 9:50 to 9:56, for example. And I can say in that time, 80% of the time, an inversion was there or a market structure shift. That kind of data is really good. I don't know anyone who's done that and posted it. Why am I willing to do that? I don't know. Clout, transparency, help ICT traders. I like helping committed people. That's why I really like helping about. Because the thing about data like that is it's not really useful unless you actually do the work and put it in. So I'm okay publishing it to people um, as long as they're willing to put in the work. A lot of people message me like, "What's this? What's this?" And I help them because yeah, I know they're putting in work, and I wish I had someone. So like back then, avoid a lot of mistakes. Daily fair value gap on GDP. Tapped into the daily versus the hourly. I don't think there's much here. Maybe we could potentially get longs from here on gold. I don't know though. Maybe not actually. Probably from the monthly actually. We'll see. I think that's it for me. By the way, I mean yo, yeah, breakaway. So we would have lost like a lot. We never really took out the low. So or I'd be break even just waiting. Anyways, today the charts are closed. I'm glad I met some new people. If you're new, feel free to subscribe because I want to hit 1,000 because they told me at 1,000 it's like a milestone and it seems like a good. I'm trying to get one of those buttons, bro. In the future, maybe I don't know. We'll see. That would be pretty sick. Um, I'll be live next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Anything else? I'll be posting a YouTube video today, and I guess I'll post a short too. If anyone has questions, now's the time. If you have questions, now is the time. Because I'm gonna go make breakfast and then go for a swim. Questions going once. I'll post a New York session review. Questions going twice. Questions going twice. Gold is dumping. I think the monthly fair value gap might be potential like draw liquidity there. Monthly or the weekly. It is dumping, yeah. Take a look at gold. Where are you going for a swim? My apartment has a pool. I just swim downstairs. I live in an apartment. It's usually pretty empty. Yesterday was so empty. I liked it. It was nice. See you, brother. I can't imagine training in New York in the morning, I swear. I mean, yeah, 9. I wake up at 9. Discord link. Can I send a link in chat? Yeah, I can, right? On Sunday, I'll post all my charts. And when I say all my charts, I mean like my drawn liquidity for all the assets. Up 76 on a fresh 10K. Let's freaking go. You took that short too, or did you take long after here? 15-minute fair value gap continuation, 1050 macro. You know what? That's actually pretty nice. Hold on. I won't take this because it's far in a discount, but 15-minute fair value gap, close to drawn liquidity. Retail saw the support. You caught the short? Nice, bro. Yo, this could just be a... Oh, there's SMT there too. Nice. Oh, no SMT. Okay, well, let's just close. So that's how I set up my charts. I leave everything on the daily. Daily chart is the best chart. What is this? US 30. All right. Nice. Okay. I'm gonna see you guys Monday, live 9:15 a.m. EST. I'll be posting a YouTube video. Look at this. Have a good weekend, bro. You too, man. Have a good weekend. Peace. See you, everybody. Thank you for joining. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking. Thank you for commenting. Till next time.